I have always loved being the person behind the scenes, the one who makes sure everything works, even if no one notices when it does. Whether it's a sound system, a circuit, or a structure I've built, I'm drawn to understanding how all the pieces connect and how to fix things when they don't.
My name is Amber Carpenter, and I'm applying for the Clarkson Ignite Presidential Fellow Scholarship.
One place this mindset really took shape for me was in technical theater, as part of the Master Mime sound crew. I started freshman year putting microphones on actors. Now, as crew chief, I'm responsible for the entire sound system, running the board, troubleshooting issues, and making sure everything works during live performances. Sound is a system, and when something goes wrong, you have to trace the problem calmly and logically. That experience taught me systems thinking, problem solving under pressure, and accountability to a team. One improvement I led was switching our alkaline batteries to inner-loop rechargeable batteries. It reduced failures, saved our program hundreds of dollars each year, and significantly cut down our waste. A small change with lasting impact. That same curiosity and problem-solving mindset carries into my engineering experiences. This past year, I built a radon detector for the science fair. Along the way, I taught myself how to use a soldering iron for the first time. There wasn't a step-by-step guide, just trial, error, and persistence. But that was the part that I enjoyed the most. I wasn't building something because I had to, I was building it because I wanted to understand how it worked. Science Olympiad has given me that same hands-on joy since 8th grade when a friend and I built our first bridge together. Since then, I've designed wind power turbines, tested boom levers, and learned that failure isn't a setback, it's data. Each iteration taught me how small design changes can completely alter performance. Those experiences shaped me into someone who isn't afraid to revise, rebuild, and try again. Another way I've ignited my passion for science is by helping establish the first chapter of our Science National Honor Society in my school district. The idea came from seeing how many students were curious about science but didn't always have a place to explore it, collaboratively, or apply it beyond the classroom. I wanted to help create a community that valued curiosity, leadership, and using science to make a tangible impact. As the chapter continues to grow, I'm working to organize projects to reflect those values. One initiative I'm excited about is hosting a bio blitz at a local historic site where students of different ages and backgrounds can work together to document biodiversity, connect scientific inquiry, and environmental stewardship. Another passion I've carried with me for most of my life is collecting rocks and minerals. What started as picking up shiny stones as a kid grew into an active involvement with the Mid-Hudson Valley Gem and Mineral Society. Through their monthly meetings, I've learned wire wrapping techniques, helped organize silent auctions, and volunteered at gem shows. One of my favorite roles has been running the sleuth station, where kids get to sift through sand and discover different minerals for the first time. At Clarkson, I'm excited to continue igniting these passions. The Ignite Project Expo feels like a natural extension of my science fair and design experiences, a place where I can share ideas, learn from others, and contribute to a community built around innovation. I'm eager to continue my involvement in technical theater through the Clarkson Theater Company, to join the Society of Women Engineers, and to contribute to the Clarkson Rocketry Club as a future aerospace engineer. I'm also excited to explore the outdoors in upstate New York, and maybe even find a few new rocks to add to my collection. Having been accepted to the Selinsky Engineers program, I'm especially motivated to take full advantage of the opportunities that Clarkson offers.
I ignite my passions by building systems, solving problems, and supporting the people around me. I hope to bring the same curiosity and drive to Clarkson, not just to help my own growth, but to help the whole community around me. Thank you very much for your consideration.